DC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see the recruitment update from 4 different companies. The companies are Accenture, Byju's Learning App, Capgemini, and Flipkart. So these are the 4 company recruitment updates that we are going to see in this video. These are big companies and these are very good companies to start your career with. So if you're a fresher, please do watch this video till the end. There is actually opening for all variety of graduation backgrounds like BSc, BCA, BTech, BCom, BBA. All of you guys are eligible for today's video. So please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So first recruitment update we are going to see is from Accenture. So Accenture is recruiting for System and Application Service Associate. Let us have a look on the job description first. Just click on this. You can see the job description. So this is a System and Application Service Associate recruitment, and the qualification they are asking is all streams and branches of BSc, BCA, BA, BCom, BBA of 2020 and 2021 graduates. So this is not a 1 or 2 person recruitment. This is actually a bulk recruitment update from Accenture for all the 3-year graduates. Okay, 3-year graduates of 3-year graduation backgrounds of 2020 and 2021. Okay. So these are the qualifications that you need to have: BSc, all the streams, BCA, all the BA related graduation backgrounds, BCom, BBA. A lot of people actually comment and ask me about BCom recruitment updates. So here it is. All the BCom candidates of 2020 and 2021 batch are eligible to apply here. Okay, so please to apply. Other than that, they have mentioned here no active backlogs during the application process, maximum 1-year gap. Candidates should not have appeared for the Accenture recruitment. These are the requirements. Okay. So if you are having these qualifications, please do apply for this post. In order to apply, what you have to do, you have to just fill up this application form. We have actually seen a lot of Accenture recruitments and we have seen this application forms previously also. So this is the application form that you have to fill. All your basic details you have to fill up. Along with that, you have to attach your resume, your passport size photo, government ID card, all these things. Okay. So this is the recruitment update from Accenture. If you are interested, please to apply for it. The second recruitment we are going to see is from Byju's. So here all the graduates and postgraduates are eligible. So any graduate or postgraduate is eligible for this post, which is for the post of academic specialist. So here you are actually going to take class for the classes from 4 to 10. Okay. So that is going to be the job role here. This is the academic specialist and you are going to teach any of these subjects, which is science or maths. So you can be a graduate from any background, especially all the BTech candidates, MEM-Tech candidates, B.Pharm, M.Pharm, MPhil, PhD or MBBS related graduations you are having, you can apply, or others. All the graduation backgrounds are eligible here. Freshers or if you are having up to 7 years of experience, also you are eligible. Okay. So a lot of people are eligible for this post, which is for the post of an academic specialist. Okay, so please to apply for it and please to fill up this application form, which I'll be providing in the description box. Okay. Next recruitment we are going to see is from Capgemini. So Capgemini is conducting a service desk or a technical support recruitment. So this is for 3-year graduations of 2020 and 2021. Means if you are a 3-year graduate, means all the BSc, BCA, BA, BCom, BBA, all these are 3-year graduations, right? So all these 3-year graduations of 2020 and 2021 are being hired, and the application deadline also they have given here. It is 28th of November is the application deadline. The location of job they have given is Kolkata and Bangalore. Now for the Byju's, currently you can actually see for work from home. Okay, the location they have not actually specified. During the HR interview round, you will be getting to know about the Byju's location. Also about Accenture, they have not specifically given any locations, but it will be for all around India. For all the main cities, they'll be conducting this recruitment. Now for this Capgemini, they're actually recruiting for Kolkata and Bangalore location. Okay, also they have given the CTC here. It will be 2,50,000 per annum. Okay. Finding a job is a tough task, right? Especially if you're a fresher, finding a job is a tough task. So we have already talked about the platform which is called Relevel. So here there is no registration fees or anything. You can find your dream company and your dream package. The big companies like Urban Company, Upgrad, Razorpay, Meesho, and a lot of startup companies and big unicorns are actually hiring through this platform which is called Relevel. Now there is an exciting news about Relevel that they have actually launched an app for all the Android and the iOS users. So you can download this app through your phone, and you can actually book the test slot and everything through your phone itself. So what you have to do is you have to sign up to this app with the link which I'll be putting in description box. You have to get your OTP generated, get authenticated, and then you have to book a test slot. You can actually select whichever domain you are interested with, the front end or back end, or whichever domain you are interested in, and then give the test. And if you are getting a good score, you'll be hired by the big companies. Also, if you are using your PC or your laptop, what you have to do is you have to just click on this icon which is called get hired, and then you have to book a test slot and then give the test. Okay, so that is all. You don't have to pay any money or anything. This is completely free of cost venture. Please make use of it. All the links I'll be putting in description. If you would like to know about the success stories, or if you would like to know about the achievers through Relevel, you can just see their Twitter page. They have shared the details of persons who actually found their dream jobs through Relevel platform. So these are various persons who got their dream jobs, and they actually got placed in different companies based on Relevel score. Okay, so you can also try this platform. This is a free of cost venture. So please make use of this platform, and you need to just get a good score in the Relevel test, and you will get your dream company and your dream package. Here in the qualifications session, they have given that this is for a pass out year, which is 2020 and 2021. So the graduation should have completed in 2020, or you are a final year student who is to be graduating in 2021 year. Okay. Also, they have given here all the 3-year candidates. So the BBTech candidates cannot apply here. Only the 3-year graduations are eligible. But the BBTech candidates can try for the Byju's and the Flipkart recruitment. Okay. So here also they have given that 10th, 12th and graduation 55% or above, not 60%. They have actually reduced it to 55%. Other than that, you need to have good verbal and written communication skills. So that is the requirement here. Okay, so if you're having these qualifications, you can definitely apply here. This is a tech support or a BPO kind of a job. So if you're interested, please to apply for it. So that is a there is a third recruitment from Capgemini. The last recruitment update we are going to see is from Flipkart. So Flipkart, they have actually posted a recruitment update for an intern, and this is posted just 4 days ago. Means this is a very recent recruitment, and it is for an intern, and the skills required is data analytics, problem solving and external communication skill. Other than that, they have not mentioned any specific qualification or anything as such. So if you are interested in working with Flipkart, and if you are having any graduation, or for that matter, if you are a final year student, you can definitely try here, because interns generally they prefer students. So if you are a final year student or a pre-final year student, you can definitely try here. And the location of internship or your work location will be Bangalore, Karnataka will be the location. Okay. So these are the updates. These are actually 4 updates which we are seeing in this video. So these are 4 big companies and 4 big recruitment updates I'm sharing with you through this video. The companies are Accenture, Byju's, Capgemini, and Flipkart. So if you are finding these videos useful, if you are finding these contents useful, please do support the channel, like the video, share the video with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel, because subscription is absolutely free. Okay, so please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and keep on watching.